Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I'll show you how you can easily remove background from your existing image files. Now in this method you don't need to have any expertise on the usage of Photoshop. What you have to just do is you have to go to browser and you have to write image background remover. Now you have to click on the first link that you see over here. Now this is perfectly free. It can this website easily removes backgrounds from your images. Let's select a picture. Let's say this one, and let's say I will select this file. I will open it. It'll get uploaded to the server. It has removed the background of this image. Now you can easily download. Now here you can see there is no background in this image. So this is how you can easily remove your background from your existing image files. Now keep in mind that this is a perfectly free website, but if you want to download in HD you need to sign up and maybe get a subscription, but most of the time this will do the trick for you guys. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.